Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, you picked a good one to view today. For you pyromaniacs, we're gonna get your flame on today. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. You go see what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, what?
Is this the next video?
Yep, it's the next video. Sorry, the cuteness factor is here today, guys, so if I seem a little distracted, you know why. Alright, now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, look down below. It's going to be somewhere on the bottom somewhere. Little channel logo, watermark's going to pop up. Not logo, sorry. Go ahead, click on that thing or hover over it. Should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. I can almost guarantee it. Alright, so we are going to take a look at something by Zippo that we got in, well, yeah, it's still this month's battle box because it hasn't rolled over yet. So it came in this month's battle box. Now, speaking of battle box, look up top. I'm going to leave a card to every single battle box review I've ever done. This one's going to be in Mission 49. I know you're going to go, why don't you just leave one for Mission 49? Because I want you to check them out. There is some good gear in there, and there's some great reviews up there that you might want to watch. Now, with that being said, it's the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. Now, we're going to do this one a little different. I'm going to talk about it, and then we're going to have a little demonstration on this guy. I know it's really weird for a gear review, but still. There's the back of the box for everybody who's kind of curious about that. Okay, so what I like is right off the bat, the kit is small enough, it's compact enough, you could every day carry this in a bag if you wanted to. So now you don't have to worry about a flint, matches later if you don't smoke. You got something interesting here. Okay, it does have a little integrated molded lanyard hole on there. And they give you 15 matches. You can buy replacement matches of 30 for about 10 bucks. They fit in there pretty well, okay? And what I like is there's like a little rubber pad up there that keep them from kind of scratching themselves. Now, as you just see right there, there is an O-ring there with a threaded cap, which I think is cool because it helps with the water-resistant storage of the container. They say it floats in water, and we're going to check that out here in a moment. All right. Now, it says it's got an ergonomic design, but it's easy to grip. Okay, I'm cool. It just feels like I'm holding a baseball bat, to be honest, you know, and which is kind of hilarious because I'm filming this on opening day, watching the Nationals play the Mets right over there in that little area. Now, they say it has a textured grip, but what's weird is the texture is only around like the logos, and it kind of stops right through there. Now, down here, which I think is really, really cool, there's your strike pad, and they even give you a little thing how to open it, all right? Basically, it's got this little waterproof pad. Hold on, babe. Let me get through this.
We want to tell you one thing.
Okay, tell me one thing. Go ahead.
We'll show you one thing.
Well, hurry up, please. I'm filming a video.
Kansas, Minecraft book, and this Minecraft book.
Wait, cool. There's your strike pad, and something else I thought was really cool. They give you 2 replacement pads when you buy this. All right? Now, they say the matches are, 4 inches long, and they have a 30-second burn time. Now, I've seen some hurricane matches before, and one of the things they're really, really noted for is the fact that they are very, very windproof and very, very waterproof. So, we're going to put that to the test here in a moment as well. Now, like I said, they got a 30-second burn time, and these matches have a water-resistant coating on there. So we're gonna try to test that out as well. Now the container itself, it says it has a 4.8 inch height, 1.9 inch width, and a depth of 2.1. The whole container itself weighs 4.0 ounces, and it is made in China with a 1-year warranty. Now, we're gonna get through the rest of this a little bit first. We're gonna go have a little demo, and then we're gonna wrap it up. That's if I don't set off fire alarms and, piss off the neighbors. But that's besides the point, right? What?
In this video, you know that?
Next video. You can't be in one with fire. You'll be in the next video, okay? Okay, guys. So over on Zippo, this is going to run you $11.95, and that's where I found the replacement matches. You can get 30 for $9.99 on Zippo.com. Over on Amazon, it was $10.38. It's been reviewed 109 times, and it's got a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. I will be perfectly honest with you, I did not write down what Battlebox valued it as. I never do, because they're either really overrated in the price-wise, or in the price point, because where they have to buy it from, and I know with talking with other people who do monthly subscription boxes, you know, MSRP and everything else, so, but there's those two, like I said, reviewed 109 times, 4.7 out of 5 stars. Now I'm going to pause this real quick. We're going to go to my kitchen so we can set up a float and burn test. So hang on. Okay guys, so here we are out in the kitchen. I just took a little mixing bowl, filled it with water, and it says it floats. So let's find out. Yeah, not too bad. Keeps wanting to pop right back up, right? Alright, shake off the excess. Nothing really got inside, so this is what we're going to do. We're just going to use 2. Now, they say it's got, you know, that water-resistant coating, so let's find out. Think it's been in there long enough? Alright, let's find out. There you go. Say I dump one overboard, whatever, we got it back. Yeah, lights up. As you can see, it's aggravating the crap out of that water. Sparks right back up. Okay, I think we get this, so hold on before I set off a smoke detector. I'm going to let that burn its way outside. Heck, that thing's still humming.
Daddy, I know he doesn't want to smell it.
Yeah, well, we're good, baby, okay? That's why Daddy opened up the other window, the door in the window was up. Alright, let's get this thing. Just so you guys can see, that's pulling it right in outside from where I just dropped it a second ago. And it's got all that weird little residue in there. But man, did it ever burn its way down. You know, look at that. Won't have to do 2 tests because I was able to do 2 in 1 there. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, you're fine. Alright, so we're going to hit pause on this. I'm going to go back and we're going to do the quick little wrap up. So hang on. Alright guys, so there we go. I think seriously only using 1 got everything across that I wanted to. Dump it in water, you know, the water resistant stuff, it still struck, it still burned, and you saw that thing burning underwater and hissing angrily. And it burned for its full 30 seconds underwater. Granted, you only saw about 15 of that in this video. I had to put it outside because all the smoke coming up. And well, with the cuteness factor here, I didn't want her yelling and screaming and, you know, telling mommy when she came home. But speaking of the cuteness factor, guys, today is her birthday today. So if you guys could drop her a happy birthday down below in the comments, that would be awesome. I know I'm doing some block filming today, so you may see this in a couple other videos that pop out a little weird. So, you know, over the timeline, it all makes sense. So, the important part now is, what do you think? I want to hear questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below. Especially if you guys have used the Zippo Typhoon matches before. Battlebox, I think he did great throwing this in there. I mean, I'm only at the basic box, and I think this is just a score in the basic box. But, that's just me, right? Okay. So, for you, we're going to do the wrap-up now. For you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, well, let me back up. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I want to say thank you so much for giving me a moment of your time today. I know how important your time is, and I'm very flattered you chose to spend some of it with my channel. Now, for you first-time guys that didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, especially at the beginning of the video, look down below. Should be down there. Big old channel symbol's going to pop up. Okay? Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and subscribed, please beat up the bell icon. Why? Great question. Gonna notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, there we go. My tabletop look at the Zippo Typhoon matches. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible rest of your day.